Yes, sit. Okay. All right. Nope, stay. 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 Nope, stay. Take one.
What's up, guys? It's Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we started, hit the like button, notification. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're showing our dog.
Yeah, so today we have a different video for you. We wanted to introduce everyone to our family pets. We currently have 2 doggies. Can you introduce them to our viewers?
Yeah, and today this dog name is Cookie and that dog name is Baba.
But today we wanted to try a new trick. They keep looking at grandma.
My grandma and that is my auntie, mother, or mommy.
What?
I said, Grandma is your mother.
Yeah, grandma's my mother. Yep.
And Cookie keep licking me.
It's okay. So the dogs are both really calm right now.
Yeah.
Usually they're not, so this is quite a miracle. One thing that we wanted to do today was the doggy treat challenge that's really popular right now.
And we gotta put the food on the floor, and we walk away and see if they come to eat, and you guys can see more update.
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab the treats, and usually when they know that I have treats in my hand, they're gonna go a little bit crazy. I am actually not hopeful that they'll pass this test, but we will see, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let me
let we put our dog down.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the
food.
Right now. Okay, all right, so let's come over here. Okay, all right, no, see, they're going a little crazy. Okay, all right, come on. Nope, back, sit. Cookie, come in the camera. Cookie, come over here. Good girl, good boy. Come over here. Cookie.
How about you put the trees
Okay.
here?
Sit, back. Cookie, sit. Okay. Nope, sit. Come over here. Sit.
And guys, the dog is going really crazy now because when they see food, they just jump up.
Yeah. Cookie, sit. Cookie, sit.
Sit, Cookie.
Cookie, come over here, sit.
Actually, you can't. Let me see the dog.
Cookie, we're not going to start until you sit.
Okay.
Cookie, sit. Cookie's not sitting, and you're covering the camera.
Uh-huh.
Cookie, sit. I don't know. Gogi always says my dog is worse, but her dog is not very obedient right now. Sit. Okay. I'm going to first just give them some treats just for fun. Here you go, Cookie. Here you go, Bab. All right. Now let's go ahead
and put the treat right here.
Sit. Both of you guys need to sit in order for this to work. Okay. All right. I'm gonna just aim the camera down here so you guys
can see.
Oh, sit.
And you guys can't even see me and my auntie because the camera gonna go down and you guys can see our dog.
Sit. Okay.
And now
stay.
You can see me and
stay. Okay. Nope. Stay. Stay. Cookie. Stay. Stay.
Stay.
No. Place the treat right here. No. And place the treat right here. No. Cookie, no. Okay. No, Bear, come on. We can't even get past the first step. Okay, sit. Sit. No, stay. No. No, stay. Stay. No, Cookie, stay. No, Bear, stay. Okay, stay. No, Cookie! I don't think this trick is gonna work, Summer. All right, let's give it another try, okay? Can we give it another try?
Okay. This makes me laugh,
Sit.
guys.
Okay. Let's turn the camera here a little bit so we can see. Nope, sit.
Ready.
Okay. No. No. Stay. Stay. No. Stay. Summer, get up. Get up. Get up. Stay. Okay. Stay. We're going to walk away. We're going to come back in 30 minutes. And we'll see how you guys do. Okay? Oh, man. Come on. I was gone for 1 second. Are you kidding me? Do you think our doggies can do this?
No.
You don't think they can do this?
How about we practice for them to be brave?
Okay. How about we do one dog at a time?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with Bear. How about let's go ahead and put Cookie outside. Can you do that for me?
Okay. And then we call Cookie outside and here and Better go outside.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll
Cookie,
see which dog will pass this test. Because I think with both of them, it's a little hard.
When one dog eats each other.
Okay. All right, Bear, sit. Okay. Why don't you sit right there, Summer? That's it. Okay. All right. Nope. Stay. 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 Nope. Stay. Wait until I come back. Okay. Stay. Stay. Bear. No. Bear. Sit. Sit. Let's go back. Okay. Sit. Sit. No. I'm going to give each dog 3 tries, okay? No. 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 Stay. Don't eat. Wait till I come back, okay? Stay. Really, Bear? Really? You failed? Okay. Really? All right. Let's get Cookie in here and put Bear out. Let's try it with you. Let's see if you're a better doggy than Bear Bear. Okay. Sit. Sit. Good. Wait. Nope. No. Wait.
We gotta come back in 30 minutes.
Nope, sit. Wait. Wait. Nope, sit, Bear. Cookie. Come here. Sit. Nope, no. Sit. Sit. Wait. No, no, wait. Wait. Wow. Couldn't even wait for me to leave. Couldn't even wait for us to leave. Should we give Cookie another try? All right, Cookie, sit. Wait. What? No. Cookie, sit. Nope. No. Cookie. Oh my gosh. Nope. Cookie's bad. Cookie failed.
That's pretty bad.
Bear back in. Come on, Bear. All right, let's go. Let's sit down. Let's talk to the camera. Close the door. Close the door. All right, Summer. How did our doggies do?
Not really good.
Not really good. It's a sad testament to us as dog owners, huh? You guys are bad. Summer, between Cookie or Bea, who do you like better?
I think both of them.
You like both of them? Yeah.
And you?
But who do you like better?
I don't know.
If you were to choose to have one dog, either Bea or Cookie, who would you choose?
Cookie.
You would? Bea, I'm sorry, Bea. She don't like you. She don't like you.
I said both of them.
She don't like you. Bebe's gonna go cry now.
No, I said both of them.
Both of them? Yeah. You can't choose between the both of them?
Yeah, because both of them are the same.
Both of them the same?
Why did the dog have a cavity?
I know. It's because they don't brush their teeth. That's why you have to brush your teeth every day. Morning and night. Right? Let me see your teeth. Very good. Very good. All right. That's all for today, guys. Sorry, this is
kind of fail with our dog.
Yeah, we failed with this challenge.
And when you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up. Click subscribe button and notification. Get it. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye.